So today we're going to share with you one of my favorite, really super simple, quick and easy dip recipes. I know that when I have like girls' nights or, you know, with it being almost football season, this is something to keep in mind when you're having some people over and you want to whip together something that's really, really easy. So for this recipe, you only need 4 simple ingredients: a thing of refried beans, a thing of salsa. I think this is 8 ounces of cream cheese, whatever one bar of cream cheese is, and then a bag of shredded cheese. And what you're going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to start to assemble all of these things. They're going to go in layers, so it goes bean dip, then cream cheese, then salsa, and then cheese on top of that. So I'll show you guys how it comes together. So here is the dip completely ready to go. As you can see, I'm making a smaller batch, so I just kind of put it in, I think this is like a 11 by 14, no it's not, it's a smaller 10 by 10 or whatever pan. If you wanted to make a bigger batch, you can. I've made this before and just doubled the recipe. For the salsa, I have some left over. I used about all of it but a fourth. It's just total personal preference as far as how much you want on there. You can put the whole jar if you really like a lot of salsa, but since it's just us, I'm just kind of made this, and then top with the cheese. Once this is completely done and the oven's warmed up, you're going to put it in the oven to bake for about 15 minutes. Once your dip is done, you just take it out, let it cool, and serve it with your favorite chip.